Have you ever tried roasting green beans from frozen before? I didn't believe that they could be delicious, but these garlicky roasted frozen green beans are super flavorful with an amazing texture. And they are so easy to make in about 20 minutes. Before you start cooking, you want to rinse your green beans and then pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel or a paper towel. This is going to get rid of excess moisture and help your green beans roast up with the best texture. Let's do it! Spread them out onto a baking sheet, drizzle on some olive oil, and sprinkle on salt and black peppercorns. Then add minced garlic and toss it all together really well. You want to make sure that the green beans get really well coated in the oil and garlic and salt and pepper. Now spread the coated green beans back out into a single layer. You want to make sure they're spread out as much as possible to get the best texture. Once that's done, it's time to bake. When they're roasted to tender perfection, transfer them to a serving bowl and then serve them topped with crunchy toasted sliced almonds. These are such an easy weeknight side, but they're great for the holiday table too. How will you serve them? I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to roast green beans from frozen so they come out deliciously. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!